Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M53 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down a little bit to find wallpaper and style. And as you can see right here we've got the preview of the lock screen and home screen, and under it we've got some albums from which you can choose the wallpaper from. So we can choose it from My Wallpapers, and here we've got some pre-installed ones. We can enter our gallery, so obviously we will be able to pick our own photo and set it as a wallpaper. Here we've got also lock screen wallpaper services. What's more, if you've got your Galaxy account, you will be able to enter explore more wallpapers option and download some new ones. So here we've got also two different options. So the color palette, I will explain it later on, and here we've got the option apply dark mode to the wallpaper. So it is currently turned on, which means that if I will have the dark mode, then it will also affect the wallpaper, so it will make it a little bit darker. So let me actually change the wallpaper. So let me enter my wallpapers, and as you can see right here we've got some pre-installed options from which we can choose. What's more, here you can see that we've got two different sections. So here we've got the one which is only for the lock screen, because this is the animated one, and under it we've got some static wallpapers. So let me pick for example this one. As you can see, after tapping on it, you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both. And I will pick maybe only home screen. So let's tap on it. And as you can see, here we can check the preview, how it will look like after applying. So just tap on set on home screen if you are ready. And as you can see, we've got the info that the wallpaper has been applied, and that's the time to talk about the color palette, because it is this option is opened after setting new wallpaper defaultly. Automatically. Here we can check the preview, and it basically means that your device will take colors from the photo you just applied as a wallpaper, and it will also apply it to the menu. So as you can see, it will change. We've got 4 different options from which we can choose. As you can see, you can pick the option you like the most, or you can stick to the default one. Here you can decide also if you want to apply the palette to app icons, so it's up to you if you'd like to turn it on or off. I will stick with off option. So if you're ready, just tap on apply. Of course, you can simply tap on skip if you do not want to use this option. So let's go back, and as you can see right here we've got the wallpaper which has been immediately applied and changed actually. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Samsung Galaxy M53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.